So I was out in B&M and came across this. So B&M, I'll get it right eventually, is kind of like a tack shop. It sells lots of cheap stuff, and occasionally you get something funny or cool. This is Fiery Diablo hot sauce, and it comes in this really cool bottle. It looks like a skull. Didn't buy it for the hot sauce, got it for the bottle because the bottle is cool. So I need to now come up with something worthy of putting it inside this bottle, and I've got to use the hot sauce. So that's another video, but cool little bottle, only £3 and you get hot sauce. So if you like hot sauce, cool. Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So it has been 2 weeks since we started the carbonation process of our carrot cider, and it's now done. I mean, it's making that beautiful ringing sound like a drum. Now, I was a little bit apprehensive about doubling the amount of sugar. I know cider can take a lot of carbonation, but still, that's a lot of carbonation to put inside one of these bottles. So I have checked it, but I didn't do anything particularly special with it. Just left it on the side, let it carbonated, kept my eyes on it. And it's worked. It's carbonated and it's looking lovely. So if you wanted to add the carbonation, you can do that relatively safely. The lovely plastic that I put it in, it has a little bit of stretch in it, so it's always handy to know. So we're going to be trying our carrot cider today. So let's do that. So I'm at a bit of a disadvantage. I have actually done this video already, once before. Unfortunately, something went wrong with the camera or my video editor, I'm not entirely sure, and the audio is complete garbage. Now usually I would just try and record over it, doing a voiceover, but my computer's dilapidated and won't let me do it. It just comes out as the same garbled audio that I had before. Strange. So you're not going to see the lovely hissing noise it made. Little one. It was a lot more carbonated. Funny that, since we did put 4 teaspoons in our 2 litres. But there should still be plenty of carbonation. So let's pour a glass. Yep, still plenty of carbonation. Compared to my normal cider, it is highly carbonated. It is still highly carbonated. It is fizzing profusely. So let's give this a cheeky smell. Actually, it has a very nice aroma. It has pears, mainly pears. I'm not really getting apples. It's got pears and it's got a carrot-esque smell. It's really hard to explain unless you have fermented carrots yourself. It's got a carrot aroma, but it doesn't smell like carrots exactly. Once you start fermenting vegetables, they change, the flavors change. It's like a strawberry wine. If you brew strawberries and you brew it to dryness and you smell it, you kind of get a strawberry aroma, but most of the sweetness of the strawberry has gone until you add it back in. So that's kind of like the carrot, since carrots do have a relatively high sugar content. Let's give it a taste. Nectar. It is really tasty. So that carrot aroma, when you mix it with the apple, is really good. I'm getting apples on the aftertaste, but the pear is up front and kind of giving it some sweetness, which is really nice. So I'm going to do my usual thing, which is drink a bit more. See you in a minute. Or 5. And I can have a vape. So I've had another little bit of time to have a few glasses, well, a few mouthfuls, a few glasses. I've already done this once, so I've already had a cheeky pint. Good way to start the morning. So it is still really nice. I mean, that carrot aroma mixed with the apples and the pears is really tasty. I mean, it is really good. The only downside, personally, is the carbonation. I like less carbonation in my booze. I like to spend more time drinking it and less time belching it. But at the same time, this is pretty much a standard carbonation that you would get in a cider. Still good. So it is, all in all, pretty damn good, considering that it's carrot in a cider with pear. It's a bit of a strange combination, but it does seem to work. It is really quite nice. It is exactly what it was supposed to be, which is a nice, easy drinking cider. That is just easy to put together. I mean, it was made with juice. It's a bit like this. This is one of my cider with hints of pine, which, although it didn't really have that pine flavor that I was looking for, it again is just a very nice, easy to drink cider. Also makes that lovely ringing noise. That lets you know it's ready to drink. But this stuff is really good. So it kind of begs the question, what else can you add carrot to? Don't know. There's only one way to find out, and that's to experiment more, which I think is pretty damn cool. So I'm going to finish this pint and edit the video again, because that's what I do. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's giving you ideas to give this a go, or do something similar, or something completely different. Who knows? So don't forget to check out some of the other videos, and well, subscribe if you feel like it. Catch you later, guys. Carry on homebrewing. See you later. So I just want to take a second to thank my patrons. They're helping me grow the channel, upgrade my equipment, all of that fantastic stuff. And as a thank you to them and for future patrons, I also do 4 Patreon-only videos per month. So it's pretty handy if you want a little bit extra. So there's some other links to videos down below, and of course the Patreon and subscribe button. Don't forget to check those out. See ya.